Rusia belum mengendorkan serangan terhadap aset militer Ukraina hingga Kamis 7 April. Rusia memperbarui informasi operasi khusus seperti dikutip Tribun Timur. Pada malam hari, rudal berbasis udara dan laut berpresisi tinggi menghancurkan 4 pangkalan penyimpanan bahan bakar di dekat Nikolaev, Zaporozhye, Kharkov dan Chuguev dari mana pasukan Ukraina dipasok dengan bahan bakar di dekat Kharkov, Nikolaev dan Donbas, kata juru bicara Kementerian Pertahanan Rusia Mayor Jenderal Igor Konasenkov. Penerbangan operasional taktis menghantam 29 aset militer Ukraina. Di antaranya, 2 pos komando, 1 radar untuk deteksi target dan panduan sistem rudal anti-pesawat S-300 di dekat Kurahovo, 7 baterai artileri, 1 senjata artileri rudal dan depot amunisi, serta 10 titik kuat dan wilayah Ukraina, konsentrasi peralatan militer. Pertahanan udara Rusia berarti menembak jatuh 6 kendaraan udara tak berawak di dekat Novoselovka 2, Chervonaya, Novogradovka, Ilovaisk, Kharkiv. Secara total, 125 pesawat Ukraina dan 93 helikopter, 413 kendaraan udara tak berawak, 227 sistem rudal anti-pesawat, 1987 tank dan kendaraan tempur lapis baja lainnya, 218 sistem peluncuran roket ganda, 866 artileri dan mortir lapangan, serta 1.894 unit khusus kendaraan militer dihancurkan selama operasi, kata Igor dikutip Tribun Timur.
Units of Donetsk People's Republic troops continuing their offensive have completely cleared Sladka of nationalists. The armed forces of the Russian Federation strike at the assets of the military infrastructure of Ukraine. During the night, high-precision air and sea-based missiles destroyed 4 fuel storage bases near Nikolaev, Zaporozhye, Kharkov and Chuguev, from which Ukrainian forces were supplied with fuel near Kharkov, Nikolaev and Donbas. Operational tactical aviation hit 29 military assets of Ukraine, among them 2 command posts, 1 radar for target detection and guidance of the S-300 anti-aircraft missile system near Kurakovo, 7 artillery batteries, 1 missile artillery weapons and ammunition depot, as well as 10 strong points and areas of Ukrainian military equipment concentration. Russian air defense means shot down 6 unmanned aerial vehicles near Novoselovka 2, Chervonaya, Novogradovka, Ilovaisk, Kharkiv. In total, 125 Ukrainian aircraft and 93 helicopters, 413 unmanned aerial vehicles, 227 anti-aircraft missile systems, 1,987 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 218 multiple launch rocket systems, 866 field artillery and mortars, as well as 1,894 units of special military vehicles were destroyed during the operation.